Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I am going to show you how you can make an online store by using Wix. So let's get started. First of all, go on the Wix site. Once you are in, you have to click on this plus icon and create a new site. Here you have to select the website which you want or which you are creating. Like you have to create an online store, you have to click on the online store and then go on the next. Here you have to add the store name and again click on the next. Now you have to select an online store and go to dashboard. Now here is your online store has been created. So yeah, this is how you can make an online store by using Wix.